All right, guys, we're going to give you some hints and some pointers here on how to update your panels and then create a USB flash, do all those steps really quick. So the first thing you're going to do is if you have a 3.10.16 panel, you first need to update the panel version, right? And here's the panel version. This one says 3.19.1.27.197, but yours is going to say 3.10.16. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you got to make sure that your panel is connected to the internet, either wirelessly or hardwired. You can see ours is hardwired in right there, right? Make sure it's connected. You're going to go in, right? Go into Installer Toolbox, go into Update, and as you can see right here, it's going to say, 3.10.16. To actually get 3.19.1.27.197 onto the panel, you're going to go into Settings. You're going to go into here, you're going to click this one, and it's going to pull this up right here. And you're going to delete the word sky. You're going to type in beta, all lowercase, right? And hit done. And then what you'll do is you'll back out, and what it'll do is it'll pop up and say, this is the most current software that you need to download. It'll pull up the current one. And then what you'll do is you'll update the panel in that process right there, okay? Once you get 3.19.1 back onto the panel, then you can go in and start creating your USB updates. It still has to be connected to the internet, right? What we're gonna do is we're gonna go in and hit Create Flash USB. What it's gonna do is you're gonna have to do this top part right here. It's gonna say download. This one says re-download because I already downloaded it once, right? So then all I do is it's gonna say download. It's gonna pop it up, it says, do you want to download the most current software onto the internal flash drive? And then you would click download. And then what would happen is it would pull up a little screen that says, hey, I'm going to download this onto the internal flash drive. And then when it's done, it'll say it's 100% complete. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your thumb drive, right? You're going to stick it into the back right here. Once it's downloaded onto the internal flash drive, you're going to stick it into the back here. And then what's going to happen is it's going to read the USB. No software update found on this USB. You're going to hit OK. And then you're going to click this button right there. And you're going to hit copy, right? And then that's going to copy. All you got to do is make sure that the numbers are actually matching up. It's going to go through this all the way. It'll say 100% complete. Wait till it gives you a message that says, it is safe to pull your thumb drive out, and then you can pull your thumb drive out. And what that means is you can pull it out and that thumb drive is good to go and start updating panels. Now, when this gets done, all you gotta do is stick another thumb drive in and do the exact same thing. Just put the thumb drive in, it'll say, hey, there's no software on it. Do you wanna put this software on it? Hit yes, click it, hit okay, and it'll start copying the software. So then you can continually do that with the rest of your thumb drives that you have, and then your guys can actually have them, right?